There will be the brothers and sisters in heaven. Give us this day and forgive us our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, those who trespass against us, and lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil and evil. Amen. Ang ginawa niya na pasalamatan ta ang Ginoo.